Hello and welcome to the Ministry of JavaScript. In this video, we will be learning about the find prototype method of an array. In the last video, we have learned about the find index to find the index of an array if found. And in this video, we will be learning about the find method. Well, basically, what does the find method do? Find method will find the condition written in the callback function, and it will return the first match element in the array and skip all the other matched elements. In case if the condition does not pass and not found, it will return undefined. So let's implement find arr.find, and this find will take a callback function, right? And this callback function takes up to three parameters, and the first one is a required parameter, and I am naming it as well. You can name it as element whatever you want. LA dot name is triple equal to Jane. Alright, so let's wrap it up inside console.log. As you can see, because the Jane do exist in our array, then it is returning us the whole element, right? And in case if we write anything that does not that our array does not contain that thing, then it will return undefined, right? So find is a very useful method, and at least I do use it on the daily basis, right? So that's it from this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.